Online Class Philippines. Welcome to Math 7. Today, we're going to study about absolute value. Absolute value means only how far a number is from zero. Look at the line graph. Negative 6 is 6 steps away from 0, while positive 6 is also 6 steps away from 0. 6 is 6 away from 0 and negative 6 is also 6 away from 0. So the absolute value of 6 is 6 and the absolute value of negative 6 is also 6. For example, the absolute value of negative 9 is 9 because 9 is 9 steps away from 0. The absolute value of 3 is 3 because 3 is 3 steps away from 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0 because it do not go out of its way. The absolute value of negative 156 is 156 because it is 156 steps away from 0. No negatives. So, in practice, absolute value means to remove any negative sign in front of a number and to think of all numbers are positive or 0. Absolute value symbol. To show that we want the absolute value of something, we put the vertical line marked either side. They are called bars and are found on the right side of a keyboard, like this example. The absolute value of negative 5 is equal to 5. The absolute value of 7 is equals to 7. Subtract either way around. And it doesn't matter which way around we do a subtraction. The absolute value will always be the same. For example, the absolute value of 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Because 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. The absolute value of 3 minus 8 is equals to 5 also. 3 minus 8 is equals to negative 5. And the absolute value of negative 5 is still 5. Here are some more examples of how to handle absolute values. First, absolute value of negative 3 times 6 is equals to 18 because negative 3 times 6 is equal to negative 18 and negative 18 is the absolute value of 18. Negative absolute value of 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 3 because 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and the first minus get us negative 3. So we are going to copy the negative sign from the outside part of the absolute value. So the answer will be 3 and copy the negative sign. So it will be negative 3. Negative and the absolute value of 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3 because 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3 and the absolute value of negative 3 is 3 and then the first minus get us negative 3. So again we are going to copy the negative sign outside the absolute value. Here are some more examples. Simplification. Simplify absolute value of negative 8. That will be 8. The absolute value of 0 minus 6 is equals to negative 6 and it will be 6. 5 minus 2 is is equals to 3, and the absolute value is still 3. 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3, and the absolute value is still 3. Thank you for listening. See you on the next lesson.